told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I really hope you will stay until the end because I'm so excited for this video. I'm showing you guys my renovated kitchen. I'm in love with the colors and the handles that I chose. This project took about 3 days, a few hours a day. And I'm showing you guys the whole process. I'm also going to show you when I'm cleaning the whole kitchen. And finally, my favorite part, decorating. So I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please don't hesitate to leave me down below a comment and let me know which part of the kitchen you like best. And I can't wait to do cooking videos for you guys in this kitchen. I actually already filmed my lobster pasta video and I can't wait for you guys to see that. That's going to go up in a little while. And yeah guys, so I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to let you enjoy it. Okay, so everything on the table is what I have to declutter and also put back on the counters. So right now they're doing the counter. They did on the left side. They're just missing on the right side. And I chose a white with marble effect. And for the cabinets, I chose matte gray for the side and also the bottom. And on top, I chose a glossy white. And they're very easy to clean. And so that's what he's doing now. And right here we have my brother-in-law who's actually installing the new blinds that I got. My boyfriend was injured and he had his leg in a cast, so he wasn't able to help me. But yeah, so the blinds are in. And right now it's time to clean. So I'll let you guys enjoy this part.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think
play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Okay, so here I'm showing you these spice racks that I got off of Amazon. They came in a pack of 4 and I want to put them on top of the stove. I'm thinking of doing 2 on the left and 2 on the right, but I have to also take off the backsplash that you guys see there. I want to put a new one all over the kitchen, and I just don't know which color I want to do and which design I want to do yet. And yeah, so I'm probably going to film that and show it to you guys in a future video.